Hamster Kombat players. The moment we've all been waiting for is finally here. The official listing of the Hamster Kombat token, hmstr, is just minutes away. If you're excited and a little nervous about what's going to happen, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what we can expect in the first hour of the token's listing. This crucial time can be filled with incredible opportunities but also intense volatility, so stick around to learn how to navigate these waters and make informed decisions. One of the most common events that happens right after a token like hmstr gets listed is an initial price surge. The first few minutes can see a huge demand for the token, driven by various factors. Early investors and speculators. Investors who have been waiting for this moment often rush to buy the token as soon as it becomes available. This group includes those who may have missed the token's pre-sale or airdrop but still want to participate now that it's listed publicly. Many see this as a prime opportunity to get in early, anticipating significant price appreciation in the future. On the sidelines, there are also speculators who have been cautiously watching the project from the sidelines. They may have been waiting for the right moment to buy in, and the token listing on the major exchange often serves as the catalyst for action. The influx of these buyers can lead to a quick spike in demand. FOMO, fear of missing out. One of the biggest psychological drivers during a token listing is FOMO. The fear of missing out on a potentially lucrative opportunity often compels traders to act quickly. As the price starts to rise, more buyers jump in, pushing the price up further. Many traders are afraid that if they don't act now, they'll miss out on significant gains, which intensifies the buying pressure. Price spike. As a result of this high demand, the token's price can skyrocket within minutes of being listed. It's not uncommon to see significant percentage gains during this time, as everyone tries to buy before the price goes too high. For instance, prices can sometimes rise by 50%, 100%, or even more within the first few minutes of trading, depending on the project's hype and overall market sentiment. While this initial surge is exciting, it's also important to be cautious. Prices can move rapidly in both directions, and just as quickly as they rise, they can fall. Sell-offs and profit-taking. While the initial price surge creates excitement, it's often followed by sell-offs and profit-taking, which can trigger price corrections. Here's how this unfolds. Early investors cashing out. Many early investors, those who bought during pre-sale phases or received tokens through an airdrop, are keen to lock in profits once the token gets listed. These early participants typically acquire the token at a much lower price, so even a small price increase post-listing represents a significant gain for them. As they start selling their tokens, the increased selling pressure can lead to price dips or even rapid corrections. Airdrop participants who receive free tokens may also look to cash out as soon as possible. Since they got the tokens for free, any price increase represents pure profit, which motivates many to sell right after the listing. While a few may hold on for potential long-term gains, the majority typically look to take quick profits. Whales dumping tokens. Another factor to watch out for is the presence of whales, individuals or groups holding a large amount of tokens. Whales have the ability to influence the market significantly. If these large holders decide to sell off large portions of their holdings, it can create substantial downward pressure on the price. A massive sell-off by a whale can lead to a sharp drop in price, catching unsuspecting smaller investors off guard. Sudden price corrections. The combination of early investors and whales selling their tokens often leads to a quick correction after the initial surge. Prices can fluctuate drastically within a matter of minutes or hours. Traders who aren't prepared for this volatility may panic sell, adding to the selling pressure. For those who got in early or during the surge, this can be a stressful moment as they see prices fall just as quickly as they rose. Short-term traders. Additionally, many traders who bought in during the initial surge are also looking to make a quick profit. As soon as they see the price increase, they may sell to capture gains before the price dips, adding to the volatility. These are typically short-term traders who aren't interested in the long-term potential of the token but rather in making quick profits from the listing hype. What does this mean for hmstr players? For Hamster Kombat players, understanding this dynamic is crucial. If you're holding tokens from the airdrop or planning to buy in after the listing, here are a few things to consider. Don't be surprised by early dips. The initial price surge is exciting, but be prepared for sudden sell-offs that could bring the price down. This is natural, and it doesn't necessarily mean the token's long-term potential is in jeopardy. Timing your entry or exit. If you're planning to buy the token during the listing, make sure you have a strategy. Entering at the peak of a price surge can be risky, as prices often correct shortly afterward. Likewise, if you're planning to sell, consider the possibility that prices could temporarily spike higher before any corrections kick in. Be wary of whales. Keep in mind that whale activity can drastically affect the price. If a whale decides to sell a large portion of tokens, the market may react quickly. Staying informed and keeping an eye on trading volumes can help you anticipate when such movements may happen. Stay calm during volatility. Finally, the first hour or so after listing can be highly volatile. Prices may move up and down rapidly, which can create anxiety for new traders. It's important to stay calm and stick to your trading plan. If you believe in the project's long-term vision, you may want to hold through the volatility rather than reacting emotionally to price fluctuations. The first hour is where the action gets wild. Here's why: rapid price fluctuations. The price could swing dramatically within seconds. If you've been in the crypto space for a while, you know how fast these things can move. If you haven't, well, buckle up. Rocket liquidity impact. If there isn't enough liquidity on the platform where hmstr is listed, then even small trades could cause the price to spike or dip by large margins. This can be both a risk and an opportunity depending on your strategy. For new players, I'd advise caution. If you don't have experience trading on volatile markets, you might want to wait and see how the market stabilizes after the first few hours or even a day. But if you're a more advanced trader, there may be quick profit opportunities to seize. Just be sure to have a clear strategy. Market sentiment can also play a big role in how hmstr performs. Positive buzz from influencers or major players in the space could keep the price high, while any doubts or negative news might lead to panic selling. As the community grows, we're going to see a lot of chatter on platforms like Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. The more excitement there is, the more likely it is that we'll see the price remain elevated for longer. FOMO could drive new investors into the market, pushing the price up even further. Alright, Hamster Kombat warriors, the next hour could be a rollercoaster ride, but if you stay informed and plan your moves wisely, there's plenty of potential for profit. Whether you're a seasoned trader or new to the space, understanding the dynamics of token listings will give you an edge in navigating these volatile waters. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates on hmstr and other exciting crypto news. Drop your comments below and let me know. Are you planning to buy, sell, or hold your tokens? Let's discuss. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.